Hi, I'm Harrison. Let's chat about profitability for your consultancy. For a unit that is so fundamental to profitability, billable hours continue to be poorly documented across consultancies. Let's dive into the three main ways Timely can help. First of all, you can set billable rates for a project. You can choose to set a blanket billable rate for everyone working on the project, or apply individual billable rates to different people to reflect differing pay grades and contracts within your team. There's no more headaches when generating reports, as it's all clear in front of you. Secondly, Timely's AI can help you categorize your billable hours into projects. With automatic time tracking, work tracks itself. You can assign automatically captured work activities to your timesheet, or better yet, you can train Timely's AI to draft these entries for you. This reduces timesheet admin to a simple review process and helps your team focus on their work. Thirdly, you're able to view billable hours in a way that works for you. Once you have your team's billable hours captured, you're then able to view them in a variety of ways. View hours that have been logged in day, week, or month totals, or you can view it by employee in the dashboard, where you'll find a snapshot of an employee's billable and non-billable hours, their capacity, and billable percentage for any time frame. Timely's handy capacity visual helps you quickly scan billable percentages across your team. This helps you manage your team time more efficiently. Whether you're losing billable hours or looking to simplify billing, our solution helps you get paid fairly, prevent overwork, and cut time tracking admin. Take action now. Go to timelyapp.com, get started, and book a demo today. And that's it. See you next time.